Welcome to the in front of me Oppo Reno 7, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So just a couple of minutes ago I set up my face recognition here, and now I'll just make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we will see how fast this feature is. So just I'll change one more here, one more just settings. So just to directly unlock the device, just don't not to stay on the lock screen. So and now I'll just make a couple of tries to unlock the device, and we'll see how fast this feature is. So as can you see, it's worked. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, so 5, 6. So as can you see, the face unlock method works really fast. We just can unlock the device less than in half of second. So I think that's the really good result for this unlock method. So I just suggest you to try the face unlock here method, but don't forget that the face unlock less secure than the passcodes or pin codes, so be careful with that. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.